Hi. In this video, I'm going to talk about a budget gaming computer and what it takes to build one and what a gaming computer is. Many people might think that a gaming computer is something that has RGB, many fans, and just visually it looks like gaming, but that's not true. You can have a basic system like the Dell Tower 3620 shown, and then you can modify it to be your gaming computer. All you need to do is get the proper CPU and GPU while also checking the power supply wattage to make sure it supports the GPU you're planning to use. You can probably get this computer for about $100 to $150. Then you can add a nice CPU for another $100 and another $125 for a GPU like the GTX 1660. And it will play most games at medium settings. Now I'm going to open it up and I'll show you some of the components. So I opened up the computer and it's a very nice case. It's small and it can fit an NVMe drive and a couple of hard drives while also being able to support smaller video cards like this one. It's actually an Asus GTX 1660 Super. This particular unit has 32 gigs of DDR4 memory, which I didn't mention previously, but it is way more than enough to play almost every game. It has an Intel i7700 CPU, which is more than enough to play games with. Also, be careful when you buy these units. Not all of them come with a power supply that's powerful enough. Obviously, you don't need much power for GTX cards, but your PSU still needs to be powerful enough. The smaller units don't even have video power outputs, so you wouldn't even be able to use it. The cooling is also pretty good in this unit. So yeah, you can get this build for under $400. It's a great deal considering that it can play most games. If you guys like this video, let me know, and I'll create another one in a few days describing the next unit, which will be a Dell 3630, which is the next generation that supports version 8 and 9 processors. Have a good day, guys!
Built an empire.